Headed out to a new restaurant in Taipei, opened by one of our undisputed modern masters. Gubami Social is one of Taiwan's newest restaurants. It is also the brainchild of a local maestro, Chen Lanshu. First up, I gotta tell you, this lady punches way above her weight class. She was crowned Asia's best female chef in 2014, and her restaurants have been consistently rated the top 50 go-to places in the region. Born and raised in Taiwan, Chen cut her teeth learning from some of France's best culinary masters before coming back to strike out on her own. And you guessed it, she's got ideas. She takes inspiration from everywhere to create her globe-trotting Taiwanese menu. My bet is that if anyone can show me the future of Taiwanese cuisine, she will be at the cutting edge.
它其实就是台湾的，它是台湾慢慢弄的一个 burrata cheese， 它是台湾的 burrata cheese， 然后
慢慢弄是一个
作坊，一个 atelier， 一个 cheese atelier。
Got it.
First up, burrata is a unique cheese dish from the south of Italy. Its main defining features are the soft exteriors that break to reveal a oozing mix of creamy cheese studs. It's one of the newest delicacies to have been developed in the last century, and probably the furthest thing you can think of when you think lactose intolerant Taiwanese cuisine.
因为你知道台湾人对于 cheese 啊，对于 salad 啊这种冷的东西，都会有一种不是很觉得不太美味的感觉的时候，所以呢，这个菜其实我就是想要把它做的是温热的，就是 burrata 是 cold right， 然后我旁边呢都是热炒的番茄糊，加上一圈的，你看它这个红油。
That dish is genius. That 慢慢弄 burrata salad, for me, was transformational. Because there is no dairy in Taiwanese cuisine. The creamy texture from Taiwanese cuisine is mostly from lard or cornstarch. She is using dairy, a very Western ingredient, burrata, super Western, but the idea that surrounds the plate, all the elements of it is very Taiwanese.
你对于你的菜，你会怎么把它定义？
我自己是觉得，其实我本来一开始是没有很设限，它到底是什么国家的菜。就是我每一天在吃饭的餐桌上，我自己会就是这样子回答的。因为我觉得这是一个台湾料理的一个特色，就是它会包容很多不同文化进去它的这个 menu 里面。我今天晚上吃什么啊？我今天晚上可能吃一个牛排，然后配上一个炒高丽菜。它就是一个不同文化同时出现在同一个空间里面，这样子的一种饮食文化，我觉得是很 unique、很独特的。
The things that I like the best about her cuisine is the thoughts behind it. Because when you actually sit down and you taste them, it's like almost watching her create it from a third person point of view.
蚵仔煎。
蚵仔煎就是我们刚刚讲到的。其实这道菜，老实说，就是真的花很多时间在做测试，因为它的 balance 是很微妙的，就是多一点少一点，一下子太腻了，一下子不够有趣，一下子这个蚵仔的味道出不来。那其实最重要在掌握这道菜的时候，有很多个元素，而今天很重要元素就是这个。粉浆它煎酥之后的那种质感，
对，
还有蛋的香气，对。那 tortilla 呢，正好跟这个香气呢，它是没有这个香气，可是它有个蛋的厚实感，跟马铃薯的厚实感，它是一个很乡村的感觉。OK，
真的是每个 element 都有保留到，而且对我来说最恐怖的，我用恐怖啊。就是这道菜 actually makes sense。
我们是用台湾的味道做起点，你在吃这个菜的时候，你可能看样子是一个 tortilla 的样子，一个铁锅出来的，但是你怎么吃一次觉得是像蚵仔煎 ？OK， 我宁愿它是这样回来，去联想到有一个怀旧的感受这样。
Through knowing so many Taiwanese entrepreneurs, ingredients, myself included actually, it's sort of this stubborn, fearless idiocracy that pushes us to do whatever the hell we want. And I think that's kind of what makes her cuisine Taiwanese. It's that attitude and mentality. Yes, she went to the Cordon Bleu, so she could link Taiwanese cuisine to the French classic techniques easily. But all of that doesn't really matter, you know? Because what makes her open up concept after concept after concept of truly unique, distinct, and bold creations is, I think, that fearlessness.
台湾菜其实真的就是一个 fusion， 它就是一个 fusion 的眼镜。各个地方的地区的 cuisine 随着这个政治的这个变迁，它来到台湾，然后呢，它开始在这边落地生根，用这里的食材，这一些不断的演变，它自己有台湾自己喜欢的味道。所以我觉得我在做这个餐厅的时候，它的概念其实就是这样。那我觉得它就是一个台湾餐桌的缩影。然后我只是用我的方式把它做一些更有趣、更大胆的尝试。它就是这间餐厅的雏形。